Hi, I'm Debra Groesser and welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you about capturing the effects of light and color and atmosphere, much the way the Impressionists did. The Impressionists painted the same scene over and over again in order to capture the specific time of day, the atmosphere, the feeling of the place at that moment. And that's what I'm going to talk about in this video and show you just how important it is to do that and to paint from life versus painting from photographs, and how that will help you capture color more accurately. I'm also going to go over basic landscape painting elements from composition and value, thumbnail sketches, all of those things, and the 5 types of light. And hopefully, by the time you're done with this video, you will feel more confident in going out and capturing color and light accurately in your paintings.